What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. Yeah, the door was on last video. Now we gotta take it off. So, one of the things I'm noticing is the way the hinges are. This is pushing the door to the back, and if you look, there's a slight lip behind the hinge. And the instructions have you file this down to be flush with the plate, and that's what we did. But I'm thinking it needs to be filed down a little bit further so it doesn't push the door back. So yes, I'm gonna, and then probably has to get done on that door as well. So we're gonna mess around and try and get this done. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Great news. So now that I adjust that hinge, so right now where I'm just rubbing is right here. That's touching before it closed. But if you kind of push it a little bit further, the door is lining up. So yeah, so the instructions have you put these front hinges a little bit pushed off. They need to be flush because I guess it pushes the door back. But yeah, this puts the door pretty much right where it needs to be perfectly, and it's holding it nice and tight. I'm pretty stoked, man. Whew. I may have these doors aligned like the next couple hours. Like, only thing I need to do is door gaps like aligned. That is amazing. All right, so what probably we're gonna work on next is the getting this door fully in, pull that door off, and do the same thing, get that front hinge like really set in, and then finish the door gap on, like just fit the door in the frame on that one, and I can do strikers after that. I'll actually have working doors. What are we gonna work on next? Probably that. And lighting. Probably get lighting. It's snowing out there right now, otherwise I'd be so excited I might want to take this for a drive. But yeah, we're gonna do a drive soon for you people. I promise. Alright, stay tuned while I start sanding this. Welcome back, guys. So, got this door much closer. I probably need to do a little bit more finagling. The front, the line is almost perfect. Just slightly off, like maybe a millimeter off. But back here, it is significantly off. That's like a half an inch, almost an inch, probably closer to an inch off. So I need to keep filing around the door and getting it. I don't know, like I'm adjusting the hinges and I have enough room for the door to fit the way it's supposed to in the space, but when I try to adjust the hinges, maybe I need to like bang on the hinges and make sure they settle in the right spot, because it almost seems like it sags. Like I can put the door in, tighten the hinges, but you pull it out of the space and the hinges like sag. It's like almost it's twisting. So yeah, well, it might have something to do with tightening. Just a little bit more trimming is needed around here to where it can sit easily, and then the hinges could fully adjust. But yeah, this is fun. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, because I'm tired and I've been working on this door for a few hours now. 3 hours now. So yeah, catch you guys tomorrow and we'll continue working and getting this done. I want to have both doors on and striker on for this video. Just putting it out. We'll see if it actually happens, but that's what I want. Welcome back, guys. Next day. It'll be me solo again today. Brian, last couple of days, he's been dealing with work. He has to go in early because people got snowed in. It's winter Armageddon here in Northern Virginia, so he actually had to deal with that. So it's just me. Sorry, guys. You only get this ugly face. But we're still gonna keep working. So right now, what I'm trying to do is get the alignment just right. I pretty much have the gaps to where the door fits in the hole. Perfect. So what I'm thinking is like, and I had that before, and what ends up happening is once I tighten everything, it starts to shift again. So I'm thinking that I need to like try and hammer onto like the hinges, like maybe they're not sliding into the proper space. So I'm gonna try. I have an idea. I'm gonna try it, and if it works, awesome. If it doesn't, back to the drawing board. But yeah, these doors are a little annoying, but we'll make it work. Welcome back, guys. So a lot of grinding later and sanding down and getting these doors to fit. I've got this one to align perfectly. The passenger side's really not that bad. The driver's side. So the driver's side, this is just gonna be what I feel it's going to be. So it is extremely close. Extremely close. To the point where I was able to lift it with just this. After I broke the shim. But that's perfect. So I had it shimmed, ready to go, and I made the mark for the latch. I'm gonna see if I can get it to latch with this slightly misaligned, and then maybe I can loosen everything and then tighten it when it's latched. We'll see. I don't know. I've done everything I can think of. I sanded. This door fits perfectly in this space. No problems. So and I've tightened and loosened the hinges like 20 times. I don't know. This driver door, apparently this is a known headache, but passenger door went like a dream. So yeah, we're gonna put these strikers on, and hopefully in a few minutes I'll actually have doors that stay latched. I know, crazy, right? All right, stay tuned and show you guys while I drill the holes for the strikers. Welcome back, guys. Finally some good news at least. So I got the strikers on, as you guys saw, and it's kind of hard to film in here just because of where it is, but I'll show you guys. So the strikers are on. Hold on. So that's the mounting plate. So the mounts to the frame using 2 carriage bolts, and then it mounts to the body right here, and the same thing on both sides. So right there, so you can see the striker with the carriage bolt. So I got the doors fully on. So let's see. Probably sounded a little hard, but you guys get the message. And with the body on, I got these lines to align. The door could probably use some flexing one way or another, but it should be good. And show you guys this side. This one I need to sand the door a little bit more, but and lines align. This door fit a little bit better. It still needs to flex a little bit on this side, which there's an adjustment at the bottom. But man, I've got working doors. They're shut. They stay shut. This is, whew. Keys Raba. It needs a little bit of sanding, a little bit of adjusting of the hinges still to get them perfectly, and I got to do all the gaps. But I got them shut and they align. I'll take that as a win any day of the week. That's stressful, but got it done. So the next thing I gotta work on is the door handles, but we're gonna call it for this video because I've got working doors. I'm ecstatic. All right, I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button. We're still gonna keep making it. Hit the like button. Let me know that you like what I'm doing, and comment down below. And I appreciate all you guys, all the feedback on the supercharger versus turbocharger conflict, and it looks like superchargers are winning right now. So I might have to supercharge this car. We'll see. But stay tuned, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Peace.